नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई एम जीनल शाह फ्रॉम टीम रुजुता दिवेकर and thank you so much for being a part of our hashtag eating series. So yesterday we had an amazing session with Rujita and I'm hoping that today's session will be equally helpful for all of you. So before I go forward, जैसे last evening I got the baton of eating in the age of dieting. तो I want to ask you and I hope that आप सबके पास already ये book आ गई है and you guys have already started to read it, and if you all have not, make sure that you get it soon so that आपके सारे doubts and सारे myths about food and sleep and exercise and everything gets cleared and you're able to eat with love and joy and free of guilt. Okay, so coming straight to our topic for today, which is eating to get the best out of your exercise. So before I tell you about what is it that we should eat to get the best out of your exercise, here's one very important thing. Exercise जो है वो हमारे लाइफ का एक नॉन नेगोशिएबल एस्पेक्ट है. मतलब it is something that we just have to do, just like we get up in the morning and brush our teeth, just like we bathe every single day, just like we plan for our day. वैसे ही exercise is something that just must get done on a daily basis. तो मतलब क्या कि इसके लिए हमको टाइम बनाना पड़ेगा और इसके लिए हमको जो हम टाइम बनाते हैं उस पे वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट वी स्टे कमिटेड एंड वी गेट टू आवर एक्सरसाइज प्लान. नाउ व्हाई मस्ट वी एक्सरसाइज? We must exercise because of course everyone wants to look great, everyone wants to have a lean body, everyone wants to be thin and fit and just do everything that we plan for ourselves, but not just to look good. हमको ये भी याद रखना चाहिए कि exercise is something that helps us to keep our brain constantly sharp, to keep our heart absolutely healthy, to keep our bones strong and dense, and also to keep our hormones happy. So that's why you must exercise. तो one of the questions जो हमको most commonly पूछा जाता है वो ये है कि कौन सा एक्सरसाइज करें. ये सब तो हमको पता है that it is great and all of that, but what kind of exercise should we do? So here's what you should remember कि फिटनेस के 4 पैरामीटर्स होते हैं, 4 पिलर्स होते हैं rather. स्ट्रेंथ, स्टैमिना, स्टेबिलिटी एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. ये जो 4 पिलर्स है, ये चारों पिलर्स पे हमको इम्प्रूव करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. वी कैन नॉट जस्ट वर्क ऑन वन एस्पेक्ट. ये चारों चीज़ों पे हमको काम करना है एंड ओनली देन विल वी अचीव ऑप्टिमम हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस. तो यू मेक श्योर कि जब आप आपका वीकली एक्सरसाइज कैलेंडर प्लान करते हैं तो आप ऐसे एक्सरसाइजेस प्लान कीजिए जिससे आपको ये सारे चारों पैरामीटर्स में इम्प्रूवमेंट मिले. So what are the things that you can do, in your entire week so that you can see improvements in all of these pillars of fitness? You can plan for yoga, you can plan for cycling, for running, for strength training, going to the gym and lifting weights, anything that works for you and can fit into your week and ensures कि ये चारों जो pillars है वो improve होए. So that's what you should plan in terms of your exercise. Now I'm going to talk to you about the top 3 foods which will help you to improve your exercise performance. Okay, see, we have to understand one thing, that exercise is not a compensation to eating food, and neither is not eating correctly or cutting out certain things from your food going to help you or it's going to make your exercise better. In fact, things like cutting out carbs only comes in the way of exercise. So there are a few foods that must feature in your daily diet so that आपको एक्सरसाइज के पूरे बेनिफिट्स मिले. क्योंकि क्या है ना कि जब हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तब बॉडी में ब्रेक डाउन होता है. देयर इज ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ मसल विच इज अ नेचुरल पार्ट ऑफ दिस ऑफ एक्सरसाइज साइंस. पर उसके बाद देयर इज बिल्डअप ऑफ मसल, देयर इज ऑल्सो बिल्डअप ऑफ होल लॉट ऑफ हार्मोनल हेल्थ, एंड फॉर दैट यू नीड टू ईट करेक्टली. So here are the 3 foods that you must definitely eat on a daily basis so that you can see the benefits of exercise. Food number 1, coconut. So coconut is one, of course it's local for all of us. What it is very rich in is called as MCT, medium chain triglycerides. और ये जो MCT है एक बहुत ही स्पेशल किस्म का फैट है जो हमारे बॉडी में हमको एंडलेस फिजिकल स्टैमिना और मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ देता है. एंड वी ऑल नो दैट वी नीड बोथ ऑफ दीज थिंग्स to perform well in our exercise and also to just perform well in daily life. So include coconut to get this endless physical stamina and mental strength as well. How do you include the coconut? All of these foods that we eat has to be in its traditional combinations. मतलब हम कैसे नारियल को खाते आए हैं, in what form? We can have it in the form of नारियल पानी, as like a mid-morning drink. उसके अंदर जो मलाई होती है वो भी निकाल के आप खाइए, बिकॉज दैट्स ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट वर्क्स एक्सट्रीमली वेल इन टर्म्स ऑफ गिविंग यू अ होल लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स टू रेगुलेट ब्लड प्रेशर. इन फैक्ट इट्स वेरी रिच इन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स, तो वो आपके बॉडी को वेल हाइड्रेटेड रखता है. द अदर वे दैट यू कैन इंक्लूड इज जैसे कि वो ड्राई कोकोनट, श्रीफल, थोड़ा सा ड्राई कोकोनट के साथ इफ यू मिक्स सम जैगरी एंड हैव इट एज अ मील पोस्ट लंच. It works like a beautiful meal for anyone who's experiencing like a slump in energy or a drop in energy, or you've done a great workout in the morning and you feel like you want to keep up with the energy levels all through the day. The thing that you must eat is this little mixture of dry coconut and jaggery. The other ways in which we traditionally eat coconut is by garnishing on top. So on top of our poha, on top of upma, we make chutneys out of it. So your nariyal chutney with your idli or with anything that you traditionally eat it with. So include the coconut in all of these forms. The second food that you must include on a daily basis is rice. So rice is very nice, okay, and we all do know about that. What's the special factor about rice, especially when it comes to exercise? तो rice जो है ना उसमें there is these essential amino acids, especially this chain of 3 essential amino acids which are called as BCAA, branch chain अमीनो एसिड्स. ये जो है ये एक्चुअली बॉडी बना नहीं पाता है, इसको हमें खाने से ही लेना पड़ता है. और उसकी खासियत ये है कि वो हमारे बॉडी में मसल को प्रिजर्व करके रखता है. अब जो भी चीज़ मसल को प्रिजर्व करके रखती है इसेंशियली वो जवानी को प्रिजर्व करके रखती है. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू स्टे you want to stay jawan and you want to stay active and you want to anti-age and just get all the benefits from exercise, what you need to include is rice. How do you eat the rice? Make sure that you have the rice again in traditional combinations. So dal chawal, pulao, biryani, khichdi, bisi vele bhat, curd rice, the way you like it. And a great time for you to have rice would be as your dinner meal, because what will happen is it will allow you to sleep well in the night and you wake up in the morning feeling more pumped in your body, even in the muscle. You look also great, you look more toned, you wake up with a flat stomach as well, and it will just give you all the energy to hit the gym and get your workout done. So definitely include rice. And konsa rice, the local variety, single polished hand pounded rice is what you should have, the more white rice, not the brown rice. The third food that you must include on at least a couple of times in the week is tubers. In fact abhi season mein bhi hai, things like kand, things like sweet potato, suran, arbi. These are some of our very very special vegetables which are there in season right now as well. उसका एक खासियत जो है वो ये है that आपने सबने प्रोबायोटिक तो सुना ही होगा. Probiotic is the bacteria, the live bacteria that is present inside our gut. Prebiotic जो है, which is what is present and which is something that tubers are rich in, is the food on which this bacteria survives. और या ये bacteria का food ये है. So this is something which will allow to improve the strength of your gut. आपका जो gut है उसका your digestion will be better, your nutrient absorption will be better. Why do we need all of these things? We need our digestion to be good so that we are able to deliver maximum amount of nutrients and oxygen to the cells of the body. और फिर जब हम workout करने जाए, then we are able to perform at our best potential. That's why you must include the tubers. The way to have it is again in its traditional form. So you can have it like a sabzi, जैसे सूरन की सब्जी बनती है with नारियल, so वो तो power pack combination हो गया. You can have जैसे शकरकंदी, just have it like a evening snack by itself. It can be a chaat. You can have undio right now. That's something that you will make in this season, so you can have that with like a roti or a puri, the way you guys traditionally eat it. These are some of the ways in which you can include your roots and tubers. So these are the top 3 foods that definitely must feature in your daily diet, which brings me to my next point, that is कि अगर ये 3 चीज़ तो रोज़ खानी है, पर वर्कआउट के पहले और वर्कआउट के बाद क्या खाना है ताकि हमको सारा बेनिफिट्स मिल जाए वर्कआउट का. So pre-workout, what you can plan is to eat a fresh local seasonal fruit, okay, or a banana is something that's available all through the year, so you can plan for that. You can have it about 15-20 minutes before your exercise, or just before your exercise for that matter, and then go and do your exercise. Post workout is very important. In fact, the first 45 minutes post exercise is called as the window of opportunity. मतलब ये टाइम का हमको मैक्सिमम फायदा उठाना है by providing the body with optimum nutrients. कैसे? By eating correctly. So there is something called as 4 hours of post workout nutrition. The first hour is rehydrate. So rehydrate means कि पानी पियो. So you drink water enough to quench your thirst. Sometimes you may not feel as thirsty after working out, but make sure you are drinking water. Drink a glass, and in fact drink a little extra to ensure that the body is rehydrated. Okay, because during exercise वो water loss होता ही है. So we have to first rehydrate the body. The second hour is replenish का मतलब हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो बॉडी फ्यूल तो इस्तेमाल करती है, मतलब ग्लाइकोजन इज गेटिंग यूज्ड अप. तो नाउ वी नीड टू रिप्लेनिश दिस सो दैट जो आगे के प्रोसेसेस है वो बॉडी कर पाए. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट यू कैन हैव इज अ बनाना और अ बॉइल्ड पोटैटो. इट वर्क्स रियली वेल बिकॉज इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी रिच इन पोटेशियम. तो वो बॉडी को रिहाइड्रेट भी करता है और वो ग्लाइकोजन, क्विक डिलीवरी ऑफ ग्लाइकोजन करता है, सो बिकॉज इट्स ऑल्सो सिंपल टू डाइजेस्ट. So that's your second hour. The third hour is repair basically of the wear and tear, of the muscle fibers जो होता है during exercise. उसके लिए is where you have the whey protein. The kind of whey protein that you can buy is something which जहाँ पे आपको per serving में at least about 20 to 27 grams of protein होगा. 0 to 3 grams of carb and about 0 to 3 grams of fat. In fact, you'll get a whole lot of details in our book, which is Don't Lose Out Workout, about exactly what kind of whey protein to pick up. But that's your third hour. And the fourth hour is recover. So recover में everything that you do in the day will matter, but what also really matters is this is at this point in time is where you can include your vitamins, minerals, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, all your antioxidants can come in here, and make sure that for the rest of the day you are eating well. Very often हम क्या करते हैं कि हम ये 4 में से सिर्फ एक चीज़ करते हैं. वर्कआउट खत्म हुआ, we just have protein shake and that's about it. Don't do that. Make sure that these 4 hours are followed in this exact sequence. तभी ही वो आपको पूरा benefit देगा और तभी ही आपको you will enjoy all the changes in your body. Now my last point is about how to plan for your meals based on the different timings of the day that you may do your exercise, because it's not necessary that we all work out at the same time. So I'm going to take you from morning to evening, like how you can plan this. Suppose you want to work out in the morning, all right? So what you can do is wake up in the morning. Your pre-workout can become a fresh fruit, and then you can do your workout. You can go for your workout immediately, a gap of 15-20 minutes. Once you work out, immediately after that, either you do the 4 hours, which is your banana and protein shake, water, banana, protein shake and supplements, or the other thing to do is, if breakfast is ready, just straight have your breakfast, because हमारा जो breakfast होता है, इडली, डोसा, पोहा, उपमा, depending on the region you belong to, is already very, very wholesome. So it does take care of all the nutrients that the body requires in order to recover from your exercise. So you can do breakfast straight after your workout. If you want to plan your workout in the middle of the day, like mid morning, so suppose 10-11 o'clock को, then again breakfast के बाद you keep a gap of about 60 to 90 minutes, then you can work out, and either post workout you have a fruit, or then you can even plan your workout in such a way that it ends into lunch, so your next meal becomes lunch. Similarly, if you're planning an evening workout, you can plan it either a pre-dinner time or you can plan it in the evening as well. For any one of you who wants to do a workout at night and there is no other option, so keep a gap, eat your dinner as early as you can and keep a gap of about 60 to 90 minutes, and then you can work out. And post workout you again follow the 4 hours, and that kind of takes care of your post workout nutrition, and then you can go to sleep. So this is how you can plan for the various times in the day and what you should eat before and after your workout. Okay, so I'm just going to do a very quick recap and then we'll take a few questions. So the first thing is that ensure that you plan your weekly calendar of exercise in a way that it includes exercises which will improve your strength, stamina, stability and flexibility. The top 3 foods that must definitely feature in your daily diet: rice, coconut and tubers. Pre-workout, you can plan for a fresh local seasonal fruit, and post-workout, follow the 4 R's of post-workout nutrition: rehydrate, replenish, repair and recover. And lastly, plan your meals in such a way that you know, based on, there's nothing like a best time to work out. The best time to work out is when workout actually gets done. So accordingly, you can plan your pre-workout and post-workout meals, ensuring that both of these are happening, you know, just before your workout and immediately after you finish your workout. So now we'll open to questions. I think I'll take questions from here first. Okay. What can we do 4 hours after the post-workout dinner? How can we do the 4 hours after the post-workout dinner? If dinner is what you've eaten, if you eat dinner and then you plan to work out in the night, then you just keep a gap of about 60 to 90 minutes, and after your workout you eat a banana and you eat a protein shake at this point and drink a protein shake. At this point in the night, if you do these 4 hours, it's not going to come in the way of your sleep or anything. It will in fact help you with your recovery, so that it won't be a problem if you're doing this at night. Can we take breakfast immediately after yoga? Yes, absolutely, you can take breakfast immediately after yoga. Exercise for fatty liver disease. Okay, so what we need to understand is, for all of these things, you know, whether it is fatty liver, whether it is blood sugar regulation, whether it is blood pressure regulation, whether it is a thyroid issue or PCOD, what we must include is exercises which will address these 4 pillars. But what is something that works beautifully is strength training. So plan for at least a 60-minute session of strength training every week, once every week in the gym. In fact, in Don't Lose Out workout, you will also get a plan of what you must do, you know, the entire exercise sequence of what that you must do in the gym. So you can follow that. What to do during COVID times? You know, if you are already following Rujita on you know, our Facebook page and YouTube and stuff, we have been posting videos very regularly. Even in our book, Eating in the Age of Dieting, if you see the exercise section, you have images of what are the things that you can do with an explanation of the exercises that you can do at home. So those are things that you can easily plan for yourselves and do it while you're at home.
So Jinal, there are a lot of questions about whey protein. What kind of whey protein to choose?
Okay, so choose the whey protein that basically is a milk derivative, and you pick up whey isolate, and the composition, as I had mentioned, is per serving of the whey protein powder, there should be about 20 to 25 grams of protein, 0 to 3 grams of carb and 0 to 3 grams of fat. You will get exact details even in our book Don't Lose Out workout. Is brisk walking counted as exercise? Okay, see, for anything to qualify as exercise, it has to be a challenging activity. So walking as an activity is great, and we must walk as means of moving from one place to the other, but as an exercise it does not entirely challenge you. Also, if you have to figure out whether this qualifies as exercise, does it help you improve your strength, does it help you to improve your stamina, does it help you to improve your stability, does it help you to improve flexibility? At max, it may improve stamina, but it doesn't do anything to the other parameters, so it does not really qualify as exercise.
How much time should we spend on exercise?
So a minimum of 150 minutes each week is what you can plan. So about 20 to 25 minutes per day is what will be a good amount of time to spend on exercise. Okay, I think I'll take the last question, and that is 40 Surya Namaskars enough to lose weight? Okay. You must read the yoga chapter from Don't Lose Out Workout. We are learning the Iyengar School of Yoga, and from the Iyengar School of Yoga, and the max that you must do is not more than 12 sets of Surya Namaskar at any given point. Make sure that your form and technique is well. Also, for you to lose weight, what's important is the technique of exercise and the structure in which you're exercising, the sequence of exercises. So follow that. You need to keep there's something called as maximum muscle fiber recruitment, which will happen only if you are following that exact sequence. So follow that sequence, and only then will the body be able to make optimum changes and for you to see weight loss as well. Okay, great. Thank you so much. I had a great time, and I'm going to be passing the baton to Soumya, who's going to talk to you about eating for staying hormonally balanced. And she's going to see you tomorrow sharp at 5. Thank you. Bye-bye.